Hi and welcome to Chiquitas Crochet. I am here with just to show you how to assemble the flower press that I got from Panda Hall Select. And because right now there's hardly any flowers to pick from to do this, but I'm gonna show you how to make this. I mean, assemble it. Excuse me. I think this is just a cardboard. Okay, put this aside. I remember that first you do this, then you do add the flowers. I have, hold on just a minute. I do have pressed flowers just to show you. Okay, I pressed some flowers just with paper when I was before this. And this is how they came out, but you put your flowers in the ones that are not flat yet in on top of the paper, and then you put another paper, and then you add this wood that has the holes in it, and here is the assembly part where the screws are. Let's see, let's put them kind of straight. Just press on through like this. There you go. Hold them so you can see how they are. Then we're gonna put the little butterfly things in here. Here's another one. And the last one. Kind of wiggle it so you can, you know. Now carefully turn it. Then you're gonna use this little, I think they're called butterflies. Not sure. Don't quote me on that one. But in Spanish, and mariposas, so kind of look like butterflies a little bit. You add these, screw them on one by one. That's a little faster than usual. Okay. I like this idea because that way you can have like a memory of your either when you're hiking or someone gave you a small flower. Like, children sometimes give you flowers from even the grass. Trust me. And then you can add them to your journals or to specimen cards, all that. And you have the memory of that day, of and you can journal of who gave it to you, why it's so special, all those things. But here we are. You tighten them just a bit, just enough, not breaking the flower. And there you go. You leave it until it I think I would check on it every day, but there you go. Nothing will fall out. That's how it looks like. But I would check on it every day, see if these little butterfly are, that's what I'm going to call them, are a little bit loose. Tighten them, keep tightening them. Maybe by the third, fourth day, kind of unscrew them all so you can see how the progress is going. And but that is basically, it's really easy, definitely really easy to assemble and make your own dried flowers. And you have beautiful results, and can you believe it keeps the color so bright, and it's amazing how it keeps its color. The flowers that I used is from yellow elder, and the other one I'm not sure, I don't remember, but They look gorgeous. Look at that. And this one, you can still see the specks of white. I think that this one has different series of flowers like the fuchsias, the white, and this one they call it the galaxy because of those white spots in the darkness, but it is like a dark purple in the background. You can still see all this from the bottom, and this one here, it's yellowish, like mustard yellow. Let's see, let's flip it on the other side. It's like literally thin as paper. There you go. And you can see the vines. Can you? Oh my gosh, you can see the vines. Not the vines, the little ones in the middle on the yellow one. You can totally see them right there. Not on this one because this one's dark color, but on this yellow one, you can totally see the inside, the sprays. I think that's what you call them, sprays from inside the flower. Let me get a close up right there. You see the lines right there, the dark lines right there. Nice. So that is what this here, I'm gonna check on the website how much this one is. It always changes. Sometimes they're on sale, sometimes they're not, but keep on checking if you want to grab this. It's awesome. Let me double check. Okay, I checked. Right now it's out of stock, but I'm gonna show you. Hopefully you can see. This is how it looks on the website. It is called Flower and Leaf Press Kit, including wood, experimental table, assembled accessories, and paper, blanched almond. 14-piece set, which I already showed you. They're right there. And one set per pack. Um, this was less when I bought it or when they sent it to me. I didn't buy it. They sent it to me to make a review and video. This, oh, I forget my laptop is not touch. See how it shows you also, and if you have any doubts when you get it, you always can go back and check this right here. They used all four papers. I only used one just to give you an example on how to assemble it. But I'm showing you the pictures that way you'll know how it looks like. See right here. Shows you the steps. And this video, this picture, it's showing you. Let me see. Right there, up close. Step 1, step 2, well, yeah, step 2, step 3, step 4, 5, back down here, step 6, 7, and 8. And there you go. And that's how they ended up right there. The big flower flattened out. Really pretty. I'm telling you, they keep their color. There you go. You can add them to any kind of paper. See right there. So pretty. You can probably even laminate them. So, but keep checking back because it does say it's not in right now, but keep checking back because they will stock back. It doesn't say they took it out permanently. So keep checking back, and the number for it, I'm going to put it down below. The original video, I do have the all the links, but I'll link the whole thing in the whole list again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. I can't wait to do more of these. Oh, you know what I mean. Thank you to PandaHall Select for giving me this opportunity, and share. Okay, if you like it, like, subscribe, and I'll bring more items in the future. Bye.